How to find your Bybit wallet address. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about finding your Bybit wallet address. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch your preferred web browser and go to bybit.com. Then you will come across the official website of Bybit, where you have to make sure that you're logged into your specific account. Now from the home page, click on the assets that is in the top right corner of the screen, and from the drop-down menu, click on deposit. First thing first, it is really crucial to select the accurate wallet and network to avoid the risk of losing your funds. Remember, the information presented in this video does not constitute the financial advice, and we hold no responsibility for any losses incurred due to sending the crypto to an incorrect address. So if uncertain, consider sending a small crypto amount initially. A wallet address is a unique string of the characters used for crypto transactions, varying from the cryptocurrency and network. Ensure that you choose the correct address for your deposit to prevent any potential loss of funds. Now, here on this page, choose the desired coin for the deposit, ensuring that you select the appropriate network to avoid any risk. And here, let's choose USDT, and let's also choose a chain that is ERC20. Always verify your wallet address before proceeding with transactions. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe for more finance and crypto content. Thank you for watching this guide. Stay tuned for more informative content in the future.